The Hulk is trying to fix the Batcave. That's better. All done. Hulk, we need one more gauntlet for the Thanos family. See, we both have gauntlets. I'm the only one that doesn't have a gauntlet. That's why I need yours, Hulk. Well, I can't give you my gauntlet. Maybe if you weren't villains trying to cause trouble, I would let you borrow mine. We don't need to borrow your gauntlet. We'll just take it. I don't think so. Hulk smash! Ugh. Now give me the gauntlet. I don't think so. Hulk smash! Thanos will get you. Hulk will get back up. No, you won't. Ugh. Now the gauntlet is ours. Whoa! Here comes Spider-Man. And Black Panther. Wait a second, superhero friends, Hulk needs our help. Let's go. Now, give me the gauntlet. No, I will not give you my gauntlet. Help has arrived. Thanos team, it's time to leave unless you want to deal with the Speedster crew. We'll battle the Speedster crew. Alright then, it's time for my Spidey web. Ugh, you got me with the Spidey web. Ugh. Thanos, we can't be stopped. It's time for a repulsor blast. The Speedster crew is too powerful. Thanos team, let's go! It looks like it's a win for the superhero team. Thanks, superhero friends. Thanks for watching Just for Fun 290. We'll see you next time. Bye!